Strategic promotions and discounts are critical in attracting customers, generating sales, and developing customer loyalty in the highly competitive retail industry. Recognizing the importance of efficient promotions, Shopify POS provides a robust set of options that enable shops to easily design and manage deals. Shopify POS enables shops to use a wide range of promotional methods, from percentage-based discounts to buy one get one offers. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of promotions in Shopify POS, and how they may drive sales, improve customer satisfaction, and maximize profitability. Developing captivating promotions. Shopify POS gives retailers a simple interface for creating promos. Retailers can easily set up several types of promotions, such as percentage-based discounts, fixed-amount discounts, free delivery, or buy one get one deals. The platform's flexibility enables retailers to customize their promotions to specific goods, consumer categories, or time frames, catering to their own business demands. Creating compelling promotions is an excellent method for attracting new clients and enticing existing ones to make a buy. Retailers can generate a sense of urgency and encourage customers to take advantage of limited-time deals by providing discounts or incentives. This can lead to increased foot traffic, internet conversions, and overall sales volume. Personalization and targeted promotions. One of the primary benefits of promotions in Shopify POS is the ability to personalize offers and target certain client segments. Retailers can use consumer data and purchase history to send personalized promotions to specific customers or groups of customers with similar tastes. Customers respond more strongly to personalized promotions because they feel valued and understood by the brand. Retailers can boost the likelihood of conversion and encourage customer loyalty by offering discounts or incentives on products that match consumers' interests or previous purchases. This customized strategy also assists shops in standing out in a crowded market and creating a memorable purchasing experience. Furthermore, Shopify POS enables companies to use customer segmentation for targeted discounts. Retailers can build promotions that precisely appeal to each section of customers by categorizing them based on demographics, purchasing behavior, or other relevant characteristics. For example, a fashion retailer may provide exclusive discounts on formal apparel to consumers who have previously purchased similar goods. Targeted promotions not only increase sales but also build consumer engagement and loyalty by giving relevant and meaningful incentives. Promotion tracking and performance evaluation. Effectively tracking and analyzing promotion performance is critical for optimizing marketing tactics and increasing return on investment. Shopify POS gives retailers full options for tracking the performance of their campaigns and gaining valuable information. Retailers can monitor critical indicators such as the number of redemptions, revenue generated, and overall impact on sales. This information allows retailers to assess the performance of various promotional techniques and fine-tune their approach accordingly. Retailers, for example, can identify which promotions result in the highest conversion rates, which products are popular during promotions, and which client segments are most responsive to discounts. With this information, merchants can fine-tune their deals, spend resources more effectively, and achieve a higher ROI. Integrity and consistency. Promotions generated in Shopify POS combine smoothly with other areas of the retail business, such as the web shop and physical point of sale. This offers a uniform consumer experience across all touch points, whether customers shop online or in-store. Customers may simply redeem their discounts or incentives at checkout when promotions are seamlessly integrated, encouraging a smooth and hassle-free transaction procedure.